Well, hey there, Leslie here. Well, here's the question. Are you ready to let go of the old to make ready for the new, to make room, to make a way for your new career as a beginner paralegal, to walk into that career? What is holding you back right now? Or what is stopping you? You know, no matter what route you're taking to get into the career, what is it that's holding you back? So let's go over now. I'm going to read this quote. Some people believe holding on and hanging in there are signs of great strength. However, there are times when it takes much more strength to know when to let go and do it. And that's from Ann Landers. The ability, I want you to think about this, the ability to let go of the old and embrace the new is an important resilience skill. That's part of if you didn't watch my video from the 12th of July of 2022, yesterday's video, then watch that one about the bounce back. So here's some things that I want you think about the fear that stops us. Fear that you won't be prepared, you won't have everything you need in the future. The fear, number 2, of being wrong. The fear of loneliness if you're by yourself on this journey, and a lot of us were and are. The fear of regret. Okay, that you know that you left something that was working, and many times the reason we're leaving is because it's not working, and we're not satisfied, and it's not lighting our fire, right? So what does your God-given intuition what is it telling you right now about letting go and moving on? There's a reason you're being pulled to this career. It should never be totally about the money, because you're not going to make a lot of money, and no, I don't quote salaries, okay? If the worst thing happens, what's your plan B? Well, what's the worst thing that could happen? First, you have to give it a chance, because in this field, there are many areas of law to work in, and they are so different from one another. So don't just diss the whole career because you didn't like that area of law. Make sure you go to Paralegal Coffee Talk. Get the free playbook under the Paralegal Resource Hub tab. Download that today. It's totally free. You have to sign up, download it, and go to the page that talks about duties. You need to research the duties, learn how to perform some of those duties. So, what's holding you back? Why? How can you move forward? Come join us in the Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Seekers class on the 15th.